One thing that you can look for as you're hiking around in the winter are animal tracks. Snow is perfect for leaving evidence of wildlife. You just need to know what to look for and how to see the natural world around you.
Once you spot some animal tracks, pause and look at the habitat around you. What kind of place is it? What kind of animals would live there? Next, pay attention to the pattern of the tracks. What shape does the pattern make? Where are they going? Then focus in on the individual tracks themselves. What size are they? What shape are they? Sometimes you can tell if the animal was running if the tracks are deep or are more blurred, or if snow has been kicked up. If the tracks are very clear and no snow has been kicked up, the animal may have just been walking. Sometimes there's an impression in the snow where an owl or a fox dove in to catch a mouse under the snow. Or maybe a predator chased another animal. There are field guides that you can use to help identify the tracks you find in the snow. But here are some quick tips for being a good nature detective. If it's fork-shaped, it's probably a type of bird. If it's horn-shaped, it's a type of deer. If it's a paw shape, then it's a type of mammal.
Another fun thing you can do when you discover animal tracks is you can take them home with you. You do this by making a plaster cast of them in the snow. Here's how it works.
First, take plaster of Paris and mix it with water. 1 part water to 2 parts plaster. So 2 cups of water means 4 cups of plaster. Mix it in a plastic cup or a bowl, and remember that it can be messy and get on things, so use a mixing stick too. Once it's all mixed together, not too watery or too thick, pour it gently into the track and flatten the top. Then let it sit for at least 30 minutes, but longer if possible, like an hour or more. After it dries, carefully remove it from the snow and brush it off. Looking at this track, we can see the paw shape and know that it's from the dog kind, in this case, a pet dog. This track has a horn shape, and so I know it's from the deer kind. Around here, that means white-tailed deer.
Being a nature detective is a lot of fun, and taking home an animal track that you've discovered is like taking home a trophy that you can use to teach other people about animal tracks.